So this is my peanut butter mixer. I am so sick of the mess.
So, Father, this is how to use the peanut butter mixer properly?
Well, yeah, what it is I got so sick of having to mix peanut butter because, here, come get a close-up of this. That oil right there.
Yeah.
So I made this. I designed so many different iterations, but as with all good engineering, the simpler, the better.
Okay, so this is
So-
basically to incorporate the oil better
Yep,
without making a mess.
exactly. So to make it faster, easier, better, and less messy. So this is the perfect length. It's just the right length so that it can get into a giant jar. It can get into this little jar. The mixer itself is just the right size. It can fit into a little jar. It can fit into a big jar. It can go up against the edges. It can go down to the bottom. But you have to do it. You have to use this tool right. As with any good tool, you just got to use it right.
Okay, show us
Anyway.
the proper technique.
What I was having a problem with is that some of them were breaking at first. So we started welding down there, and now it can't spin anymore down there. So now it's strong. We feel like we've really perfected it. So
Right,
yes,
yeah.
here you go. So you see the oil on the top there? Shove it to the bottom, turn it on to low, right? And I just twist it a little, or I just have it on an angle a little bit so that it will draw it down into there. All right? And it's pretty boggy. That's part of the reason, because peanut butter is so thick. This natural peanut butter is so thick. And by the way, I love the crunchy peanut butter is my favorite. I usually do it in the sink because if I do have anything flipping out, it just flips around in the sink. Hold it tight, of course. You gotta hold it nice and tight. But yeah, look at that. And then as I start to draw it out, see, I keep the edge there. This has to stay against the edge.
That's
So
important.
that, yeah, that's actually important so you're not flipping as much. Now there is some, so there you go. And it's all stirred in. And then I just turn it on high and I kind of get in the sides, get in the bottom, get in everything. And this thing cleans off. So it's stainless steel, so of course it's food safe. But one of the benefits that I didn't realize, this is how you know you got a good product, is you kind of whip your peanut butter, which is really cool. So it has this texture that has a little bit of air, a little bit more air in it. It kind of gives it this really nice spreadable quality. Here, pop this thing out. Boom. Lick it off, clean it. It's nice and easy to clean.
All right, perfect.
And
Yeah.
then, look at that. It is just like the perfect. That's how you should use it. Boom. Okay, so you can get these actually on Amazon. See that? Chris's peanut butter mixer.
Perfect.
Now, the nice thing about this is everything is perfectly symmetrical. It's symmetrical because I wanted to make it asymmetrical so that it had some other benefits. But I found that it had to be symmetrical in order to work for everybody. So, yeah, on Amazon, you can get this. And it'll get shipped to you very, very quickly.